Welcome guys, Cream Bars back again with another reaction video. To check out Blackpink Lovesick Girl music video. This was a request video. Someone said this is from their album, or I think the new album. So this is a new song. So I wanna check it out. Yeah, Blackpink is actually very talented group.
어차피 떠나면 상처 조성인 채로 미워하게 될걸 끝장을 보기 전 끝낼 순 없어 이 아픔을.
Yo, I love the way they dress, right? Their style is just so cool, like colorful and just cool, you know? And the dance move, bro. The dance is like that's on point. The Cardi and everything, that's on point. You know what's funny? I've hardly seen any. Normally that's like skirt or shorts or something like that. It's very strange to see her in pants. I don't know. I've rarely seen Korean girls in pants. I'm not gonna lie. Whoa! No doctor. You're not even showing that dude's face. Sprinter, Usain Bolt. Yo, she's going. And they got like, they actually can sing like. Lovesick girls, Lovesick girls, Lovesick girls. Man, this song was actually cool. I like the video, the visual is so good. The song, I just got actually. I think I have seen a couple of Blackpink on this channel. I think, but I actually love Blackpink. Bro. Blackpink is so talented. Blackpink is a very talented girl group, and I know that they can speak English too. I think two of them are mixed. I don't remember, but this song was very good. I'm not gonna lie, and I love the video. As always, Blackpink got very good video. The coloration, Korean video overall is very good. Korean, I think otherwise from, let me see, like American music, like dancehall, reggae, and England music, and you got Korean music. Those genres are very popular. I'm not gonna lie. But this is the end of the reaction video. Peace out. Enough love.